Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare the much requested fruit slime that brightens your skin like none other. It's a superfood for your face, so it's going to feed your skin with all the required nutrients, and it's highly recommended, especially for brides to be. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's go ahead and prepare the fruit puree. First, I'm adding some ripe bananas, which is loaded with vitamin E and C. And then some papaya to clear out all the blemishes and pigmentation. Some blueberries to reduce your wrinkles and blotchy skin. And a fresh plum for my garden because it has powerful antioxidants that will help to restore skin's elasticity. I'm going to blend this and make a puree without adding any water because the fruits already contain so much water. But if you have to add some water to puree it, you can add a 1/4 cup. I usually make it in bulk and I store it in the freezer for up to 1 month in these large ice cube molds, and at a time I use 2 cubes. I'm going to transfer the puree into a bowl, and then I'm going to add a teaspoonful of honey. I'm using raw unfiltered honey. You can use any honey that you have, and this will help to boost your complexion. I'm going to boil 1 cup of water and I'm going to add it to this puree. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, also sold under the brand name of Metamucil. This is natural and has no chemicals. In fact, it's made from seeds of Plantago ovata, which is a shrub-like herb. It helps to clear up acne and pimples from your skin, and because it's highly fibrous, it helps to bind the puree together and make it into a slime. I'm going to mix it in the puree and keep stirring till everything thickens up, and then I'm going to microwave it for another 1 minute. While this cools down, let's go ahead and prep the face. First, make sure to remove all your makeup. I don't have any makeup on, but I'm using micellar water with a cotton ball to remove any residue. It's important to wash and exfoliate your face. I'm just using a spinning brush. It's just easy to use it. This one's from Duval. It goes into every nook and corner of the face and cleans it up. Now I'm going to steam my face to open up all the pores, so when I apply the face pack, all the nutrients will be absorbed into my skin. My steamer is from Choice. I'm going to be including a list of all the products that I use today in the description box below. I usually steam my face for about 5 minutes. Looks like the puree has cooled down and it's pretty viscous, and the slime is ready. I usually like to apply this in a reclined position, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just sit upright. I'm going to spread this quickly. It looks messy, but it really isn't when you apply it. And I'm going to relax for 15 minutes. You can instantly feel your face cooling down when you apply this. And then I'm going to take this off and rinse my face. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy to prepare the mask, especially if you prepare the puree in bulk and store it in the freezer. I'm going to include a list of fruits and their benefits in the description box below. If you or someone you know has skin problems, definitely give this a try. It's definitely going to help you out. And if you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye guys.